Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a Jon Renau wig called Angelique. This is a re-review for me in the color FS24/32, also known as raspberry syrup. So I'd like to talk about the color briefly before I move on to anything else. I'm going to zoom in here. This is a non-rooted, highly dynamic blonde with some really intense auburn in here. And by intense, I don't necessarily mean that it's super red. In fact, it's not, as you can probably tell here. Instead, it's just intensely contrasting with the rest of the color. So what this is it's a really nice medium auburn that has a little bit of true red mixed in with it, but again, it isn't going to look like clownish or firecracker red or anything like that. And blended in with that, we have a medium golden blonde. So the contrast is really striking between the two colors. It's a very interesting looking color, especially from zoomed out. It's just really, really super duper dynamic. The weight on Angelique is about 3.4 ounces. The bangs are about 4 inches. The crown down is 9.25 inches. The sides are 9.63 inches. And the nape is 12. So let me go ahead and turn around so you can see what Angelique looks like on all sides. And this is the average cap version of Angelique. She also comes in a large size. So Angelique is an oh-so light wig, so she's very light. She's only 3.4 ounces. She's got a lot of layering, particularly up here towards the top. This is usually a great summer wig for people who like to go long during the summer because it breathes so well, being an oh-so light wig. I'm going to go ahead and take Angelique off now so I can show you the cap construction. Angelique has an open cap with a big band of felt right at the front hairline and a healthy amount of permatease in the top of the cap. I've also got open wefts here on the side and in the back with a band of felt here on the extended nape. It is adjustable with the Velcro adjusters in the back, and the ear tabs are open, so this one's easy to wear glasses with. Angelique is a fairly stretchy wig, but if you're in doubt, go with the large cap size. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on. It wants to part over there, so I'm just gonna let it. And if you want to see more about this, just check out my original review on our page at CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. And until next time, I hope you have a great evening. Bye-bye.